Hey everyone, welcome back to Real Essentials by Antoinette. If you're getting ready to sell your home, I've got a super simple tip today that can actually add thousands to your sale price just by washing the outside of your house. I know it might sound too easy to make a big difference, but trust me, this one small step can really help you boost your home's value and attract serious buyers. Let's talk about why a good exterior wash is such a game changer. All right, so here's the thing. First impressions are huge when selling a home. The moment a buyer pulls up, they're already forming an opinion, and what they see on the outside sets the tone. That's where an exterior wash comes in. First up, curb appeal. A clean, fresh exterior just instantly boosts curb appeal. When you wash away dirt, mold, and grime, your house looks brighter, newer, and much more inviting. And honestly, buyers love a home that looks well cared for from the start. It's almost like it's already making them feel at home. Now, think about maintenance. Buyers want a home that's been looked after, and when they see a clean exterior, they automatically feel that it's been well maintained inside too. It's like an unspoken promise that you've taken good care of the place, and that's exactly what buyers want to feel. And then there's online appeal. With so many people browsing listings online, photos matter. A freshly washed home just pops in photos. It looks crisp, inviting, and well maintained. And when your home looks amazing in pictures, more buyers click, view, and schedule showings. It's a quick way to stand out online. Another big one is value. A clean, cared for home feels more valuable to buyers, and they're more likely to see it as worth the asking price or close to it. That small investment of a quick wash can really pay off when it comes to offers. And best of all, it's affordable. Washing your exterior is one of those simple, low cost projects that gives you a high return. You don't need a huge budget or tons of time, just a good wash to make everything look fresh and ready for buyers. So, if you're thinking about selling, definitely consider giving your home's exterior a wash. It's an easy way to add value and make a great first impression. Thanks so much for watching Real Essentials by Antoinette. I hope this tip helps you get your home ready to sell. If you found it helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, share with friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy value adding tips.